All right, so the challenge for using AI as my fitness coach has definitely gone, I guess, off the rails. And now we're thinking about restarting it just completely from scratch because when we were here doing it the first time, it was actually pretty solid, despite doing a very basic routine and not really, asking it to do much because, we did pull-ups, we did push-ups, did the basic stuff, but it felt good and I felt like I was making progress with things. Now I have completely stopped. I think the last month in Tokyo, I basically didn't do anything regarding exercise. And that's because we just felt really, I guess, occupied with other things, as well as my left knee was hurting at some point because of a sprint that I did literally on day one of when I reset the challenge. So I just didn't do much until it healed. And then after it healed, I slightly re-injured it again. So I'm like, I need to go back and rehabilitate my left knee if I'm gonna actually like really get into at least running activities to increase my VO2 max. So because it's only a few more days until I'm back in California, I think we'll do that first as like a important step in making sure I can run properly without having issues basically. It's a I don't want to make it like an excuse. I think when I was here last month in Kyoto, I did feel my knee a little bit, but I was always able to make sure I never went past that threshold. And although I do feel like it didn't really increase that much, so my VO2 max that is. So I think yeah, I think we need to re-look at a lot of things, and the first thing is my knee. Like fix that, rehabilitate it, and then I'll get back into like running a lot harder. And also I need to just like do better warm-ups. I think I always skip warm-ups because I just find them boring, but they're pretty important if I want to make sure I maintain my my health and make sure my body doesn't get injured again. So that's pretty much it for this one. I wanted to do that here, I guess, because it like being here makes me think about my like kinetic stuff, my exercise stuff, physical fitness and everything. Because that was a really important goal and it still is. I guess this is just part of the journey. It's like for me personally, I just have one bad knee and that sucks. But I don't want it to be like the issue that stops me from reaching my goal. So yeah, I think I'll visit a physical therapist to actually like really, really ask them properly, like what do I need to do to strengthen it so I don't like encounter the same issues. But for now, I will continue to try to do more like push-ups and pull-ups because that isn't affected by my knee whatsoever. So I have no excuse regarding that. So time to get back into it. I'm here in Kyoto again. I'm here next to this playground, so I might as well, do some stuff with it. So I'm just gonna do some pull-ups real quick, a few push-ups, and yeah, let's get back into it. This is a reset. It's April 11th right now, April 11th. So there's the marker. Okay, catch you guys in the next one.